Are you ready to level up your automation control skills? With the Automation Technician Training Bundle, you bundle and save. Download these 7 foundational technician courses to start learning today. Plus the bonus PLCLogix 5000 Simulator gives you all the practice you want. This bundle offers foundational knowledge and equips you with practical skills essential for real-world applications. Each course has around 30 hours of training, each with many built-in simulations and a lab manual for hands-on practice. The courses end with a troubleshooting section and then a test. These Windows-based software certificate courses and the PLC simulator never expire. No annual subscription fees exist. Download today and unlock your potential in automation control technology.